What's up, YouTube? We just got a package in the mail from Stickerfab. It is some overlays for my new 2022 BRZ. Let's take a look. This is what came in the package. Thank you card, and there's their information. And the overlays. This is the carbon fiber overlays. They didn't have a video on how they look like, so I bought it just to see. And you can see it's a little transparent because they're already going over the tail lights. This is the tail light carbon fiber overlay, both left and right. And here's the side marker overlay, also transparent carbon fiber. We're gonna take a look how that looks like on the car. And I got some badge overlays, pink carbon fiber. You can see these are not transparent. Yep. Yeah, I think so.
Right in your mouth.
Yeah, got for Christmas.
How much you got them?
31,000.
That's new, yeah?
Yeah.
Ano ba no, they came out with new one again.
Came out this year.
Mix it the front, oh, same thing. That's the back part. Yeah, but
Cheers.
do your part.
We're gonna start with the badge. We're gonna start off with this badge. Don't trust yourself, so yeah, wait, just a little bit. I'm gonna do the same for the backside with this. Look at that. How does it match? I think it looks pretty sick. Look at that shit. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Pink. Trying to go for that OG STI look. Damn. The Let's check the back. Oh, bruh. Look at that. Fucking dope. Let's get started on the side markers. These are changing color next. These carbon fiber side markers. Let's figure out which one is which. I believe it's this. Alright. Do this. How does that look? Looks pretty good. Still can see some of that orange. Let's get the other side on. That's how it's gonna look like. Now we're gonna get these side markers right here. Gonna repeat the process on the other side. So we're gonna take a look at both of them after this.